Alrighty, Daniel, here's a small block Ford. Gives description combinations, 408 cubic inch set of our As Cast heads, custom grind hydraulic roller, front sump oil pan on it. We just got a manifold distributor carburetor here to run for you. Go in there and see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 490 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 506, peak horsepower 408, rated at 450. That's with a dual plane. It's got an open plane on it right now, so that's why it runs so good upstairs. So what we'll do now is pull the pipes back to make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple of things. When you receive your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag, have your engine number, some other specs. If you need something for us, engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.